Oh my god, just got here. My first cast, not even 2 seconds, it bit right away. And then it fell off my hook, and now Thorn's trying to get my fish that is stuck. Ow!
Good job, you dang.
Say what's up to my YouTube video.
You're not gay no more.
That's your second one already?
He's got 5.
Damn, 5 and Footy got one. Footy, is that your first one? No, was that your first one?
Yeah. Well, Thorn got it for you.
Oh my god, thank you, Thorn.
Throw it on the grass.
Shit. Yeah, throw it on the grass for the. I don't. That's good for now. Calling it a day. Caught me 3. Stụi bàn bait đấy. Tiếp đi nhâm cho anh nha. Two of my crew is still there.